So in this video, you're gonna learn about my newest six-figure student, Atiqe. Just passed this figure, some great lessons from his experience. Check it out. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire, mentor, and trader here in my Rolls Royce in Miami, looking at Twitter, literally just filming, and I'm going over tweets, and it's pretty freaking cool. My student Atiqe, and he's responding to everybody congratulating him, because I just told everybody, you know, what he's done. He just posted this, absolutely nailed it, up 5K covering DCAR from the sixes into the morning panic, left some on the table, but satisfied with my gains. And you see that he made 2,100 in one account and then 3,000 in the other, so 5,000 plus. And so I was congratulating him, and he said, glad those sleepless nights and days paying off for passing this outstanding 100K milestone, and thousands thanks to you, me, for pushing us to reach this glory. Awesome job, Atiqe. I'm so proud of you. Not just the money, but the mindset. You know, the fact, I didn't even know that this, you know, was the trade that put you over 100,000. He's now at 111,000 in total profits. Just began as my student a little over a year ago. So there's so many good lessons. Number one, hard work pays off. You know, he just became my newest six-figure student a few days after Jack Kellogg, aka Jackaroo, just passed 100,000. He made 46,000 last month, and he's 20 years old. I love it. It's not just about millionaire students if you make six figures, even if you make five figures, in an industry where 90% of traders lose. Understand, these guys are showing every single trade. So it's not enough just to say, look, here's my month-end statement, here's my year-end, here's what I've made in total. It's trade by trade, and understanding that it's a process. You know, he made 5,000 in a very similar fashion to when Tim Grittani passed over $1 million in profits. Tim Grittani shorted a stock, a morning panic stock, and he made 9,000, and he passed over $1 million. Now Tim Grittani's over 8 million. So if Atiqe and Jackaroo and Tim Grittani and myself and you keep going, understanding that there's always going to be these kinds of predictable patterns with penny stocks. Like, the vast majority of the world still hates penny stocks. They think that, like, I'm a scam. They think that this is fake. Every new student who does this should help you understand that it's real. I've never met Atiqe. I'm going to go meet him. You know, now I like to meet my 6- and 7-figure students because they help me show the world that this stuff works. And Atiqe is not winning every time. Neither is Jack. Neither am I. Neither are Tim Grittani. We're winning 50, 60, 70% of the time. So don't think like, oh, we have some amazing ability to win 100% of the time. No, we've just learned to maximize our profits. You know, take profits like $5,000 in a day, and it adds up. And to those of you guys asking, yes, this is sushi as my background. I love sushi too. This is my real, you know, background on my phone. I love sushi. I love traveling. I love charity. I love teaching. You got to do what you love, you know? If you're going to study so hard, you got to learn to love the process. No one's going to want to put in 10, 15, sometimes 20-hour days studying this stuff and then putting it into practice, especially in the beginning when you're hopefully trading with a small account, or maybe you're not even trading. Maybe you're using paper money on Stocks to Trade. Click the link just below. I'm going to include an exclusive offer for you to use Stocks to Trade so that you can basically use fantasy cash while you're practicing. But I want to make videos like this, you know, show you, look, the Rolls Royce, I used to dream of, you know, owning cars like this. Now they're my reality because of hard work, because I learned to love the process. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you're gonna learn to love the process. Say, I promise to love the process, or I promise to learn to love the process. It's not always easy, okay? Like, it's easy to love money. It's easy to love the rewards of hard work, but it's not easy to actually put in the time and effort and energy with the hard work. There's going to be nights, there's going to be trades where you're going to be like, this is so much work, I just give up. You got to push through that. Remember this video. Remember students like Atiqe. Remember cars like this. Remember, you know, all of my videos, frankly, because I'm not special. I'm not unique. I'm just, you know, the one who's been doing this the longest, frankly. I understand it, and I want you to understand it. I want you to put in the time, learn the process, you know, have patience to see it through. Atiqe did not get all of this in 1 week, 1 month, or even 1 year, but he is gradually getting better, and now after he sees what it takes, he can do more. It's kind of cool. Like once you actually see how to make 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 in a day, then it's rinse and repeat. And that's what I want to get you to. But in the beginning, I know you're going to have doubts. I know your friends and family are going to say, oh, penny stocks, they're a scam. I'm used to that. But trust me, believe me, have patience, have faith. Congratulations, Atiqe, and everybody else. Enter a comment just below. Let me know if you're going to learn to love the process. That's the key to success. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.